Hello girls, today I am going to teach you a new lesson in EVS, Understanding Time. Time has three parts. What has gone by is the past. What is going on now is the present. What is yet to come is the future. Today is Monday. The word today shows the present tense. Tomorrow is my birthday. The word tomorrow shows the future. Yesterday, Granny told me a story. The word yesterday shows the past. Time can be understood by using means such as calendar, school timetables, etc. Now children, tell me, for which purposes do we use a calendar? Yes, we use calendars because through calendars we get to know the date, day, week, month and year. We also come to know the dates of festivals and the dates of important days such as Republic Day, Independence Day. Very good. Now children, tell me, when and why do we turn the page of a calendar? Yes, we turn the page of a calendar when the current, that is the present month gets over. This helps us to know the dates and days of the new month. Very good girls. And children, you must have seen there are numbers written from 1 to 30, 1 to 31 in the calendar. Now what do the numbers in the calendar tells us? Yes, the numbers in a calendar tell us about the dates of a month. Now children, we all have our school timetable. Now why do we follow the school timetable? Can you tell me? Think? Yes, a school timetable informs students about the time of a class period. It also helps us to know the duration of each class period. Now children, do you know? It is important to understand time for studying history. Sometimes old statues, coins, shards of pottery, shards means the broken piece of ceramic, glass or metal object, is found while digging the foundation of building. These things are studied carefully. Through these studies, we come to know about the period of time to which they belong. Isn't it interesting? Now, use your brain power. Today's newspaper becomes old tomorrow. But if we cannot remember a particular fact, we search through old newspapers to find the information we need. This means that today's newspaper will tomorrow become an important means of getting to know history. Measuring instruments. How do we measure time? To understand time, we divide it into seconds, minutes, hours, day and night, fortnight, month, year. In this way, time can be measured. Now children, remember the time of 60 seconds makes 1 minute. The time of 60 minutes make 1 hour. The time of 24 hours make a day. The time of 7 days make a week. The time of 15 days make a fortnight. The time of 30 days make 1 month. The time of 10 years make a decade. And the time of 100 years make a century. Water clock, an hourglass and the calendars are the instruments of measuring time. This is a water clock, an hourglass and the calendar. Do you know? In the 14th century, the hourglass came into use in Europe. It consisted of two connected glass vessels fitted in a wooden frame. Dry fine sand was poured into one of the vessels. The connecting hole between the vessels allowed the sand in the top vessel to fall into the lower vessel. The hourglass was constructed in such a way that it took 1 hour for all the sand to fall from one vessel into other. The clock was turned over as soon as all the sand had fallen into the lower vessel. This is how a period of 1 hour was measured. These clocks were used in India too. Children, you have to do this activity. Stick photographs of yourself from the past and present in the frames below. In the frame of the future, draw a picture of what you will look like in 20 years. I was like this when I was a baby. That is past. Now I am like this, present. I will be like this after 20 years. You have to draw your imaginary picture. That is in future. Children, this is how I looked when I was a small girl in past. This is how I look now in present. And this is how I may look when I grow old in future. Children, can you tell me why do we make partition of time in different ways? That is past, present and future. Yes, for convenience of everyday work, time is divided in different ways. For example, while using words like now, a while ago, in a while, or today, yesterday, and tomorrow, we are unknowingly measuring time in our minds. Children, let us revise what we have learned today. For convenience of day-to-day work, time is split into parts. When we use words like right now, in a while, or later, we unknowingly measure time in our minds. Time is measured by using instruments such as clocks, calendars, and school timetables. Time is divided into parts such as second, minute, hour, day and night, or week, fortnight, month, and year. We get an understanding of time through historical buildings or old objects like coins, Statues or shards of pottery found in an area. They help us to understand the history of that place. I hope, children, you all have understood the lesson. Take care. Bye.